So I'll be getting these questions a lot. So basically, I'm going to be explaining how to use the Forex calculator and calculating your entries to enter your positions, so calculating your position size, that's your lot size in every given trade, depending on the kind of amount you have in your account. So if the two things you need, or the three things you need, is Forex calculator, MetaTrader 5, or a trading view. So, but this one I'm going to be using the Forex calculator and the MetaTrader 5. So we all know there are different ways you can enter the trade, which is sell limit or sell instant market execution. So let's get into the MetaTrader 5. So in this course of trade, I'll be using a demo account. So let's say I want to take a trade, a sell limit, or let's say an instant market execution at this level here, from this level here to this level. So my stop loss is going to be above. My entry is going to be, let's say, this level. Whatever the case may be, my entry is going to be this level. So we all know that the sell limit is a sell limit is when the market is buying and gets to this point. Then it gets to a certain position in which you have opened. You set the sell limit. It's not an instant market execution. So the market gets to this point. Then from that point, it starts selling down. Sorry. This. Trying to get it. So let's say the market gets to this point. Then from this point, it starts selling down. So it starts selling down to this point. So that's the sell limit. So market goes up to this specific level and starts selling. It's the buy limit, same thing, but inverted. So this is a sell limit. Market gets to this point and starts selling, then goes down. So this is what I'm expecting the market to get here before it starts selling. So you can see the market is almost there. So what do? I want to understand in calculating. There's a lot of calculations that's very tricky, but I want to understand my calculation. In understanding this, I want to understand my calculation to get in the stop loss and the take profits. What I'm expecting to risk, what I'm expecting to lose. It doesn't matter the amount size I'm using, but all that matters is what I'm expecting to risk and what I'm expecting to lose. So I just go into my Forex calculator. Now the Forex calculator, the account is, as you can see, I calculated a trade I was supposed to enter in XRP USDT. But this is the account to be in, firstly,
for seamless withdrawals with no commission.
So firstly, there are different settings here. You see position size, you see stop loss and take profits. You see margin, you see pip value, you see Fibonacci, you see pivot, profit loss, compound interest. The only tool we use is position, stop loss, and position size. But I basically use position size all the time because that is what's necessary in entry trades. You want to enter a trade, you use position size. So you see here, you see account currency. The account we're using is in USD. Whatever account you're using, you can put in GP pounds, whatever account currency, you can put it there. Then the instrument which you are trading is NAS 100, which is US 100 also. So NAS 100 and NASDAQ. So which is this? So what we are trading. The amount we're willing to risk is $500. So $500. Then we don't know the stop loss yet. Then the entry we're entering at that trade, which is this on the US 100, is 23 That was on 257.66. So we'll copy this figure, and then we'll go back to our and enter the entry, which is this. Then the exit price, which is the stop loss, is this level here. So we get into it, we copy, and we'll go back to our Forex calculator, and I'll paste, then we'll press calculate. You see, so the amount to risk is $500. The unit is 13.87. So the standard lot we're using is 13.87. So in this trade, the standard lot we're going to be using is 13.87 lot size to get in on the trade. So we'll do another example, but let's see this first. So this is the account size. So place, it's not market execution we're entering. We're entering sell limits. I just explained what sell limit is to us. Then the pair we're trading is US 100. Then we'll come here, 13.97. So 13.87, sorry. 13.87. Then the entry price, which is this. The entry price, which is this. We copy, and then we set. That's the price we're entering in the market. Then the stop loss is going to be this. All we're trying to calculate is the stop loss we're using. So this will be the stop loss. Don't place. Now the trade is set. So you can also see that the trade is already set. So I'm trying to delete the lines. So delete. So you can see that it's 497.85 USD, approximately $500 that we are risking. Then this will be the take profit. So this take profit will just copy from the line here. And copy. So let's try and delete the. So come here, right? This one that is a pin will modify. So put our take profit to put down here and modify. So our take profit is already set. So we're risking $497 to get 1817.67 USD. So approximately this is what we are risking to get on this trade. So that is how to use the Forex calculator. So let's do another one. So which pair we're going to trade now? Mind you, this is not analysis, this is not a good analysis. This is just trying to explain to us how to take trades. So let's say we want to use an instant is a buy set. Let's say we want to do a buy setup on gold, instant execution, and we're risking $500 on this. Then this is our entry. Where this line is now is our entry. Then our take profit will be somewhere, let's say around here. So in order to set our trades, to enter this trade at the exact amount and put the stop loss here, we have to understand what is the lot size we're going to use for this trade. Now the market doesn't move from this position, so it can take us like 5 to 10 minutes to analyze this, then we enter the trade instantly. So we come here, type in gold XCC USD, so we'll set on it. The amount we're willing to risk is 500. Then the entry price is going to be this. Sorry. So the line that is there, copy. So once you copy, we'll come here, put in the entry. Then the exit price will be this. In case of any eventualities, the market goes against us, this will be the entry price. We'll copy. So exit price, put it down here, press calculate. So you see, we're risking $500, the unit is 32.17. The standard lot, that's the standard lot we're using, 0.32. So the lot size we're going to be using for this trade is going to be 0.32. So we'll come here, press play. First thing we're going to do, we're going to change it, currency to gold. The market execution is going to be buy setup. So it's 0.32. So once we're there, what we do next is we're going to press buy, which is here, buy. And you're seeing that the market already started buying. Then the next thing we do, our lot size, our stop loss, which we already set already. So we'll come here, copy it, modify, put our stop loss, modify. Now if you come back to this chart, you're going to see that we're risking $424, approximately $500 on this same trade, and the aim is 3-4. So we're going to come here. I'm going to come here and copy, and then place the trade, take profits, modify. So let me delete this. Approximately, this is a buy trade, entry here, stop loss here, which is 500, aim is 1642. We are seeing the difference between a stand buy execution and then a buy limit or a sell limit. So this is how to get in on this trade. Currently the trade is on minus, but the aim is to get it to here. So if the trade goes against us, it's going to be 524 in losses. If it goes in profit, it's going to be $1,642 in profit. So if you want to calculate the risk to reward on this trade, it's going to be about, you divide the take profit amount you're expecting to receive or the stop loss you're willing to lose. So it's going to be, let's calculate, let's say 1642.42, right, and 24 divided by 524.80, and 24 divided by 524.80. So let me check. 524.80, correct. So that's approximately 3.13 risk to reward ratio. So that's how it's calculated. So this is how we calculate our trades on Forex calculator. So the only thing you are using is position size. Don't think of the stop loss or the take profit. Don't think of all of these ones. They don't really need anything at all. The only thing you're supposed to calculate is position size, which is what we just did. So in order to calculate, in order to download this, go to Google Play Store or the App Store, whatever you're using, and you search for Forex calculator. What's going to purpose is going to be this kind of app. I've already downloaded it, so that's why it's showing like this. You just press open, so you see the reviews here. So press open. That's where we are now. So any other pair, you can calculate as many pairs as you want. Be it crypto, you see all major pairs. You have major pairs, you have manual pairs, you have exotics, you have crypto. So all things can be calculated here. You understand? So this is how to use the Forex calculator. Thank you so much for listening, and we look forward for the next video to come out. The next one we'll be putting out